In this video, you will learn how you can stake XION token. So here are some benefits of staking XION token, like you can earn APY, you can secure the network, earn karma point, join the governance, and you can unlock some future rewards. So here we go. Promethean Saga, a mainnet campaign of XION. Just go there, enter your email address and sign up. It's so simple and easy. After creating account, just go to your profile. Here you can see address. It's your meta account address. You have to buy XION from exchange and send it to this address. XION is listed on more than 10 exchanges like Bitget, Bybit, MEXC. You can buy from any of them. After buying XION, once you receive it, it will show up here, and just go to the stake option. It will redirect you to another page and log in here by using the same account. It's a staking dashboard. So just scroll down a bit, and here you can see different validators. You can stake in any validator, enter the amount and click on confirm option. It's so simple and easy. You don't need to connect any wallet. You don't need to confirm pop-up from any wallet. It will take only few seconds. So in this way you can stake your XION tokens and earn karma points.